What's up guys, my first video on my BMW 328 and I'm going to be redoing the rims today. All of them have curb rash from the previous owner and they're slightly varying in condition. This one's a little bit worse. I've already started sanding it a little bit, but I'm going to end up taking off all four wheels. I'm going to sand them all and then I will get them all ready for prime. And then I'll paint them and slap them back on there, and hopefully they come up pretty well, and follow you guys through the process. They couldn't get the locking nuts off because BMW is retarded, so I'm just gonna start sanding them on the car, I guess, and we'll put some tape around it and try not to scuff them up, but give it a try. So I've got the wheel all taped up and good enough, I think. I'm gonna start wet dry sanding it with 400 grit wet dry sandpaper. See how it comes out. Alright, we're all ready to put the first coat of primer on. I put plastic bags around the rotor to protect it from overspray. Something over the valve stem so you don't get that covered in paint. And then I just took the cap all the way off. Some people tape over it and put it back on, but I just decided to plug the whole tape. And alright, see how it goes. Here we go. Alright, now wait 10 minutes for that to dry. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna put the second coat on now. Let's sit for another 10 minutes. Alright, this is going to be the third coat of prime. Wait another 10 minutes. Hopefully after this, we'll be able to put the first coat of paint. Alright, that's a wrap for primer. Well, that's that over there is drying. I'm going to start putting in these cards to allow me to start sanding. Second wheel here. Still waiting for the other prime to dry. You want to wait about an hour. I got this one all sanded down. I cleaned it with Windex. So it has a nice clean surface. Get all the dust off. I put the bags around the brakes again and the rotors. And same thing as last time. Probably gonna do the same 3 coats and see how it comes out. Alright, third coat of primer. First coat of paint. Alright, now the second coat of paint. Alright, third and final coat of paint for this tire. Alright, just like that. Now let it sit for an hour before I put the gloss on. Maybe not an hour. Let it sit for a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna do the first coat of paint on this wheel. Let it sit for almost an hour. Should be good now. Fucking windy. Coat number 3, last coat of paint for this wheel. First coat of gloss. Do one more coat of gloss, and this is going to be the second coat. So I've done 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of paint, and 2 coats of gloss. the third and final coat of paint, and then I'll put 2 coats of gloss on it, 2 coats of gloss on the other side, and I'll be done. First coat of the gloss. That'll do it. So then you want to let it sit for probably 15 minutes, take off all of the tape and whatnot, and then just let it dry for the rest of the time, and it'll be good tomorrow. It's now 6:10, so I worked for 7 hours and 10 minutes on this, and obviously wasn't working on it the whole time, but in between coats and letting it sit and all the sanding and prepping and whatnot, total 7 hours. So here you go. And then next video, I'm going to be installing these LED headlights, and yeah, there you go. Guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to post some more. I'm going to be installing the LED headlights soon. I'm going to be installing aluminum trim aluminum vinyl over all the trim. I also plan to eventually delete the cat and resonator. Eventually I'm going to put a carbon fiber trunk lip on it, some other light touch-ups. I'm gonna do some black little side lights, just the little things, but yeah, stay tuned.